some soil. Kasi magtatanim na naman ako ng atis. Yung seed ng atis. I need you like after ng atis, meron na naman ako seeds ng papaya tsaka duhat. Let's make our day busy doing something na makabuluhan. Don't just focus on problem, on negativity.